Ito po.
Kahit diretso lang kuya, tas doon ka sa dulo kakaliwa.
Diretso, diretso. Hindi baba.
Lamig na dito.
Saan? Video pa lang. Sosyalin yung dalawang yun.
Bakit?
Bumili pa naman, ang daming dala eh.
Mag-work from home. Tapos ako yung TV.
Mag-work sila doon?
Oo, mag-live sila.
Ay, sila rin.
Isang linggo.
Kaya pala marami silang dala. Ang laki ng maleta nila ah.
Eh, di ba yung ganyan kalaki?
Ang laki oh.
20 kilo.
Kaya neneng, ngayon na sila ang aming hinihintay na kasama. Team Gala going to Hong Kong. Ayan na po. Dumarating na. Hindi tayo nakikita. Ay! Kawayan mo, tumayo ka. Oh, pupunta pa yun doon. Tan! Hindi tayo nakikita. Picture mo, send sa kanila. Ayan na po. Hoy, saan kayo pupunta?
Ha?
Saan kayo check?
Check-in na kami. Ay! Lagay mo na yan pagsama mo.
Hawakan mo, ba? Ayaw hawakan. So, yun, medyo... Ano lang din tumakot na yun.
Hindi tayo window.
Amusement po. Isa lang naman po yung dito. Dito ka dito po. Dito yung tingin ko dito.
Saan na ang aking mga kasama? Saan tayo, third? Saan? Cebu Pacific. Picture tayo to. Hello. Okay naman. Hindi naman. Yo.
Picture kita dyan. Tingin man nung dala ni Third.
Oh, 1 kilo. Kaya pala naman. Hello. Papasok na po kami sa airplane. Meron to. Dito kami sa exit. Hindi pa gagana yan kasi naka-stop. Sabi ni ate is the word best.
Basta ka video.
Kaya gusto ko video ba? Para i-upload.
As of now, we're all set to depart. We're just waiting for some few documents needed for this flight. Our cargo loading to finish up. We'll be closing our cabin door shortly. In the meantime, for your flight information, we are to cruise as high as 34,000 feet. Weather and winds forecasted to be fair for your own safety. Please do keep your seatbelts fastened at all times and remain seated. This flight will take you about 1 hour and 40 minutes. That is from takeoff to landing. And we'll update you once we have the latest weather in Hong Kong prior to our descent. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from the flight deck and the cabin. Your usual patience, full cooperation, and compliance are highly appreciated.
Lopez, Mr. Joe Vincent Ramirez, Ms. Vanessa Reyes,
Inaanto.
Ms. Lian Soriano, and Ms. Hannah Vasquez. You're on board, kindly acknowledge for receipt. Previous to by first officer protection. Flight time is approximately an hour 40 minutes. After December arrival, 15 minutes past the hour 2 in the evening. Full take to Titan when outside the aircraft. Full station has been taken. Normalization is done by the means of the red tube. Blow to increase air pressure spins in water to release air. Light automatically illuminates once battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over nose and mouth, pull elastic band sideways, or snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lines that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with the emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft in any eventuality guests must leave their bags behind and immediately proceed to the useful exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
条例，记上禁止使用电子蒸汽烟、电子香烟及任何蒸汽吸入与排放装置。
Masakit daw dyan niya.
当您的电子设备的电池过热时，请您立刻停止使用。
Chinese na
这
dito.
包括所有使用锂电池或充电器供电的电子设备。
Para bubukas.
Lalamig na. O, di ba lumamig? nag-e-exam pa pala dito sa aeroplano. Nag-e-exam po si Third. Nag-e-exam din. Welcome to Hong Kong. Dito na kami sa Hong Kong Airport. Welcome to Hong Kong. Na po kami. Nandito na kami sa Hong Kong International Airport. Nandito na kami. Nakababa na kami ng airplane. Sasakay kami ng bus. Bakit sila dala na nila yung bagahe nila? Ayaw niyo umupo? Ha?
Bilis lang.
Siyempre masarap nakaupo. Nandito kami sa bus. Ito ang bus nila. Ayan na sinakyan namin airplane.
Mabilis kasi maubos.
Pero malaki daw.
Pag may wifi, di wifi.
Eh, ba't hindi sa atin?
Ayan,
Wala ba? Oo. Ganito nga, di ka tulad sa akin.
meron sanang isa.
Number 5 ang aming mga bagahe. Conveyor number 5. Andyan na yan.
Wala pa nga po doon.
Nadurog yata yun sa akin. Pilipinas eh. Dami namin bagahe. Parang ilang taon ilang taon? Oo, sige. Dito lang ako.
Sige, dito yung gamit ko.
Nagwi-withdraw na sila ng aming panggastos. Ayan.
Arrival mo kayo nagagawa. Pwede sabihin mo.
Wala. Nagsasalita ka eh. Nagsasalita din ako. Ayan po, oh. Nag-withdraw na sila ng aming pang narito na kami sa Hong Kong International Airport. Palabas na kami ng airport. Ito ang gagamitin namin pambayad. Ganyan ang bus nila dito sa Hong Kong. Parang dalawang pinagpaatong na bus.